Guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to play Blue Lock Rivals on PS5 or PS4. So you're going to open up Roblox and then you should see here at the top, at least now, you will see Blue Lock Rivals. If you don't see it, then you're going to go on search and search it there. After you see it here, you're going to launch it. Go ahead and play. Now you will have an option to press anything to continue. Now it will launch the tutorial. You can also go ahead and skip the tutorial if you want to. Now all you need to do is go ahead and steal the ball. Now if you want to go ahead and leave the game, all you need to do is press this options key on your controller and then you will be able to leave it just like so. So if this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.